Hi, this is Mary Precious Jones Huntsville, better known as Precious. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really do appreciate that. And thanks to all of my returning viewers. And if this is your first time, welcome. Now guys, today I am going to be showing you just an old lamp that has been taken apart. Now I wanted to show you guys the actual lamp. And I had told my husband that once he took the lamps apart, I wanted you guys to see this, see the lamp together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to recreate that. He has taken all of the cords off of it. And so now I just got the shade here and I got the base. So let me show you, give you an idea what this lamp looks like. Okay, here are the base that goes to these lampshades, and so it will look similar like this. This is what the lamp looked like. I asked him to take these apart, but I also asked him when he got ready to do it, let me record it. But he didn't do that. But anyway, so I thought these was beautiful base for this lamp, and I'm going to use them as part of my decor. Okay, so the color, you can see the color on them right now. It's like a brownish with the little specks of black in it. And so he found these lamps. Okay, and I told him, okay, I think I can do something with these lamps. Okay, so here we are. So what I'm going to do is I'm thinking about painting, spray painting these lamp base like a white, and they have the resemblance of like a ginger jar. So that what made me want to keep these bases. Okay, so I'm going to probably try to decorate using this color first, and then I probably go ahead on and spray paint these lampshades. So yeah, I thought it was beautiful. I like the texture in it. I like the design. It has a nice design in it, and as you can see here, this is where the cord went down in the base of the lamp. But just them by themselves is beautiful, and these are like ceramic bases, and yes, they are heavy. Okay, and let me try to show you. This is what the bottom of them look like. Okay, so it just got felt paper across this, across that hole there. Okay, so yes, I'm going to, if I decide to use these as is, I'm just going to clean them up, shine them up, and then I find a place to put these. But if not, I will be most definitely painting these white, and either white or black, but probably leaning more towards the white. Okay, because I'm liking the white and the black. But yes, these are nice lampshades. There are no cracks in these shades here. Okay, they perfectly in good shape, and I believe that I can make this happen. Yes, guys. So now I did not like the lampshade. It's outdated, and as you can see, once you look at these lamps, you will say, hey, those lamps are outdated. I like the base. So these lampshades, yes, they are they are outdated, but that's not what I'm concentrating on. So I'm just concentrating on these bases here. And guys, so just stay tuned. Maybe in the next video or so, you will see me actually styling these base, and wish they look like a ginger jar, but hey, this is nice decor to me. So like this old saying is, someone else's junk is another person's treasure. So I'm gonna treasure these, okay? So just to let you look at this one more time, the bases and also the lampshade. So these are going to the trash, guys. It's nothing that I can do with these. These are going directly to the trash. Okay? Yes. So you might see me decorate these like most likely on a console table or the end table or maybe the coffee tables. But yes, I find something to do with them because I'm always finding different little stuff to do. So it should be no problem with me finding something to do with these these bases. Yes, so this is what I do. Okay, guys, so just want to let you know so you can be on the lookout for my project here. So I have taken on myself a project, okay? Okay, so you won't see me style this in this particular video, but stick around. Put your notification bell on. And guys, just remember, you can't put your notification bell on unless you hit that subscribe button first. And that way you'll be notified when this video comes up, okay? Yes, yes, yes. This is what we have here. So leave me comments because comments help my channel grow. Okay? And hit the like button. Give me a thumbs up. All right? Okay, guys, once again, I'd like to thank all of those that have already subscribed to my channel. You just rock. Some of you guys have been rocking with me since day one, and I really do appreciate that. And shout out to Lola Sells More. Girl, I have been missing you. I'm concerned about you. Leave me a comment, Lola, and let me know. I just want to make sure that you are all right because you are my girl, my friend. You have been rocking with me ever since my first video. So Lola Sells More. If you are still around, go ahead on and leave me a comment. All right, guys, I really do appreciate you for watching. Once again, thank you so much. And I will see you in the next video. I will see you in the future because your future looks good on you. Bye-bye.